Well, welcome back, fellow YouTubers, toy train buffs, to another quick running session out here in the cave on the Milwaukee Northwestern. I wanted to run this AMTRAK train because I got another car for it. My AMTRAK consist was a powered locomotive and 3 cars I bought some months back, all MPC era, and of course AMTRAK was a railroad that runs through Wisconsin, and so it fit in perfectly with the theme of the layout. And the theme of the layout is Milwaukee Road, as well as any railroad that ran in Wisconsin. Okay. Now, during the MPC era, Lionel had ultimately put out an ABA set of locomotives as well as 7 cars. Some months back, I bought the locomotive and 3 cars, and a couple weeks ago, I got a 4th car, and so I wanted to run a train with the new car. So I tell you what, without further ado, let's run the my Lionel AMTRAK consist. This right here is the new car, the A6410, and the other 3 cars that Lionel put out, I'll buy when I have money, and as whim dictates. I like it. It's a sleek looking set. I love passenger trains. Bring them on home. Alright, there we have it. So I'm going to run these for a while. I don't know. I might pull out another set here before I do my 4th of July run. So I'll tell you what, we'll see what happens. Until next time, happy railroading, and bye y'all.